सुप्रभातं छात्राः स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं संस्कृतं स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः। अद्यतनकक्षायां वयं षष्ठकक्षायाः प्रथमसामयिकपरीक्षायाः प्रश्नपत्रस्य आदर्शप्रश्नानां विवरणं प्राप्नुमः। तदनन्तरम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दपाठस्य अभ्यासं सम्पादयामः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. In the class 6th, today I am going to tell you about the model of the first periodic test. And as you know the model, and I am going to explain what is this model. After explanation, I am going to have the revision of the Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, which will be going to benefit you in the first periodic test. If you have any doubts, you are most welcome to ask the doubts. Today there will be a discussion session. Okay, all of you, because it will be the last class before the examination. All of you are most welcome to ask all the doubts. But when one boy is asking the doubt, others keep quiet. After he finishes, others can ask. सर्वेभ्यः पुनरेकवारं संस्कृतं स्वागतम्. As I have explained you, first part will be the Varnamala. In the Varnamala, you should know all the Varnamala, all of you know, but you should know it Swara. Swara means what? There may be asked, Swara means what? Hrasva Swara means what? Dirgha Swara means what? Which are the Hrasva Swaras? Which are the Dirgha Swaras? Then Anuswara means what? Visarga means what? योगवाहकौ द्वौ भवतः. अनन्तरं वर्गीयव्यञ्जनानि. वर्गीयव्यञ्जनेषु कति वर्गाः सन्ति? पञ्चवर्गाः सन्ति. वर्गस्य प्रथमवर्णाः के? क च ट त प वर्गस्य प्रथमवर्णाः. वर्गस्य तृतीयवर्णाः के? ग ज ड द ब तृतीयवर्णाः. अनुनासिकाः वर्णाः. वर्गस्य पञ्चमवर्णाः अनुनासिकाः इति वदामः. The fifth letters, they are called अनुनासिकाः. Why they are called अनुनासिका? Nasika means nose. With the help of the nose they are pronounced. That's why they are called अनुनासिकाः. What are they? Nya nya na na ma. These are all the अनुनासिकाः वर्णाः. अनन्तरम् अवर्गीयव्यञ्जनानि. अवर्गीयव्यञ्जनेषु पुनः अन्तस्थाः ऊष्माणः इति भेदद्वयं भवति. This is all about Varnamala. Again in the Vargiyavyanjana you will get Alpaprana and Mahaprana. All the first and third letters in the Vargiyavyanjana, they are Alpaprana. Second and the fourth rows, they are called Mahapranaha. Is it clear? Yes, somebody was asking that doubt. Any doubt? No doubt. Shall we move next? Next comes Varna, which Varna Samyojanam. Varna Samyojanam is joining of the letters. For example, Ramaha iti asti. R adhikam, A adhikam, Ma adhikam, Aha, Ramaha. You have to split like this. When it is given like this, you have to write the one word. That also will be given in the option. 3 options will be there. So, you should be very clear about the answer. Otherwise, if you are not clear about the options, these options will confuse you sometimes. That's why learn it properly. If you have not learned, again I am showing you today the example. Shall I show you the example? See, this is Varna Samyojanam. We have learnt it in the first. What is that? Cha adhikam A adhikam Sha adhikam A adhikam Ka adhikam Aha. What it becomes? What is this? Cha adhikam Chashakaha. What is this? Chashakaha. Good. Mihir, correct answer. Next, sa adhikam au adhikam cha adhikam I adhikam ka adhikam aha. Sauchikaha. Very good. What? Good, Satvik. What is the very good. What is meaning of Sauchikaha? Tailor. Hmm? Next, third one. Sha adhikam u adhikam na adhikam a adhikam ka adhikam au. Shunakau. Kumari Bharati. Very nice. It is Shunakau. What is the meaning of Shunakau? Two dogs. Two dogs. Very beautiful. Good. Next. Dha adhikam a adhikam va adhikam a adhikam ta adhikam aha. Dhawataha. See, you should be very. Yes. Two are running. Dhavati ekavachanam. Dhawataha dvivachanam. So you should be very clear when I pronounce a and a. एकमात्रा कालेन उच्चार्यमाणः वर्णः ह्रस्वः भवति. द्विमात्रा कालेन उच्चार्यमाणः वर्णः दीर्घः भवति. See here, ध अधिकम आ अधिकम व अधिकम a and a. You should be very clear. Bahuvachan form is dhavanti, na? Dhavanti. Good. Dhavati ekavachanam. Dhavatah dvivachanam. Dhavanti bahuvachanam. Next. Sir, it is va adhikam ru adhikam dha adhikam dha adhikam aha. Vruddhaha. Very good.
Sir, many old men.
Many old. Yes, many old people. Correct. Sir, it is next. Bahuvachana.
Yes, sir.
Ekavachanam vruddhaha. Dvivachanam vruddhau. Bahuvachanam vruddhaha. Very good. Next one. Ga adhikam a adhikam ya adhikam a adhikam na adhikam ta adhikam
Gayanti.
Gayanti means sing.
Gayanti.
Many are singing. Gayakah gayati. Gayakau gayatah. Gayakaah gayanti.
It is Bahuvachanam, sir.
Very good. Yes. That is correct. Now, many of you know how to say, but many of you don't know how to write. So, for the help of those who doesn't know how to write, please note down this. Okay, sir.
Sir, can I read questions?
Yes, please read. Read it. Cha adhikam, a adhikam,
aha. Sauchikaha. Cha adhikam u adhikam na adhikam a adhikam ka adhikam au. Shunakau. Da adhikam a adhikam va adhikam a adhikam ta adhikam aha. Dawataha. A adhikam shra adhikam da adhikam dha adhikam aha.
See here, you should pronounce these two dhas are there no here. You should pronounce it very clearly. How will you pronounce? Please pronounce once again.
Da adhikam adhikam.
Wait. Prithvi, wait. Atharva is pronouncing.
Va adhikam shra adhikam da adhikam dha adhikam aha.
Very good. It is not shra. It is ru. Okay.
Ru adhikam da adhikam
Aha. Vruddhaha. Next.
Sir, what is the meaning of Vruddhaha?
Vruddha, old people.
Anek.
Many.
Ga adhikam a adhikam ya adhikam a adhikam na adhikam ta adhikam I.
Gayanti. Very nice. I hope all of you understood this.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next example is about how to split it. The complete word is given. You have to learn how to split it. Okay. Now I will be asking one by one. Okay.
Yes, sir. You ask everyone one by one.
Okay. Now Mrunal. Mrunal, please answer the first one. Are you there, Mrunal? Not there. Okay, Nikhil, you answer this. First one.
Become E, become
Yeah. It is Nikhil Totgar who is going to answer this.
Sir,
Yes.
become E, become become become
Ah.
become
Hmm.
become E.
Very
CUAT.
good. Very good. Very good, Nikhil. Correct. Next, Mihir. Are you there, Mihir?
Sir, can I Satvik?
Wait, Mihir is not there?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Mihir will answer next one. Prithvi, answer the second one.
वर्णः व अधिकम् अ अधिकम्
Hmm.
न्य न अधिकम्
Hmm.
वर्णः र अधिकम् न अधिकम् आह.
Hmm. See, this is where you make the mistakes. Many of you. Here, Varnaha, first, see, it is on the top. It will come first before this letter. That means Va adikam, A adikam, Repa. Ra. Ra adikam, Na adikam, Aha. Understood, Prithvi?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, I tell Mayuraha. Sir, Satvik.
Mayura, Kukkurau. Next one
Kurau
is
tell I, sir.
Kukkurau. Satvik Shaurya, Vadat.
का अधिकम उ अधिकम का अधिकम का अधिकम उ अधिकम रा अधिकम औ कुकुरा.
Uttamam, Uttamam.
Sir, next can I tell?
This, where is this Mihir?
Sir,
Is
I
he there?
Satvik, sir.
Mihir is there? Not there.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait, wait.
तुम्हारी भारती.
Ishan, you tell. Ishanaha vadat.
Sir, Mihir is
Kuk
in meeting.
Mayuraha.
ब अधिकम अ अधिकम य अधिकम उ अधिकम र अधिकम आ अधिक आह.
Aha, very good, Ishan. Next one, happy birthday boy. Dinesh, you tell Balakaha. Dinesh. Others keep quiet. Now Dinesh will tell. His birthday is there today.
No, sir, it is Shivraj Singh, sir.
Shivraj's birthday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bajuram, are you there? Bajuram, tell this Balakaha.
Yes,
ब
sir.
अधिकम आ अधिकम ल अधिकम काह.
No. Say once again.
ब
It is wrong.
ब अधिकम आ अधिकम ल अधिकम आ अधिकम काह.
No.
ब अधिकम आ अधिकम ल अधिकम क अधिकम
Yes,
आ
Kumari
अधिकम
Bharti,
क
please tell.
अधिकम सर व अधिकम आ अधिकम ला अधिकम आ अधिकम क अधिकम आह.
Very good.
बालकः.
Kumari Bharati, it is correct. Balakaha. So, I will be showing you the answers now. Please note down. Those who
Yes,
don't
sir.
know.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you see?
Yes, sir, we can see, sir.
Sivyati.
Yes, sir.
Sa adikam I adikam va adikam.
Sir, sir.
Oh, here. Yes,
Sir,
here.
here we are, sir.
Here,
Ah.
I is missing. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Here, I is missing. Correct. So you know better.
दिव्यति वर्णः करौ मयूराः बालिकः.
Very nice.
ब अधिकम आ अधिकम ल अधिकम आ अधिकम क अधिकम आह.
Aha, balakaha. Correct.
शौचिकः सीव्यति
Sauchikah Sivyati, correct. So some of you asked
Meaning of Shivyati, sir?
Sivyati,
Teaching.
stitching,
Teaching.
stitching.
Sir, what is the meaning of dhavatah?
Dhavatah running.
Running.
Yes. Now we will practice some question and answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This will also will come in the exam. Balakah kim karoti? Balakah
The Balakah
pathati.
Patanti.
Ashwau kim kurutah?
Patanti.
Ashwau
Dhavatah.
धावतः. Ashwau धावतः. कुक्कुराः किं कुर्वन्ति?
कुक्कुराः बुक्कन्ति.
कुक्कुराः बुक्कन्ति. Very nice. अत्र उत्तरं पश्यामः. बालकः पठति, अश्वौ धावतः, कुक्कुराः बुक्कन्ति. अनन्तरं प्रश्नाः सन्ति. छात्रौ किं कुरुतः? छात्रौ तिष्ठतः. कृषकः किं करोति? कृषकः किं करोति?
कृषं क्षेत्र कर्षति
कृषकः क्षेत्रं कर्षति.
कर्षति
गजौ किं कुरुतः?
गजौ चलतः
गजौ चलतः. Let us see the answers. छात्रौ गायतः. They are singing the prayer. तिष्ठतः is also correct. But you should see the option what is given in the examination. Tishtata standing. Tishtati stand. Tishtatah both are standing. Krishakah kshetram karshati. Gajau chalatah. Atra pasyantu. Gajaha nrityanti. सिंहौ इति द्विवचनं, गायकः एकवचनं, बालकौ इति द्विवचनं, मयूराः. So telling the answer is not important. Understanding which belongs to the ekavachana, what belongs to the dvivachana, and what is in bahuvachana, it is very important. Gajaha
is in the bahuvachana.
Gajaha bahuvachanam. Simhau dvivachanam. Gayakaha ekavachanam. Gayakau dvivachanam. Mayuraha bahuvachanam. Gajaha chalanti. Simhau garjataha. Gayakaha gayati. Balakau patataha. Mayuraha nrityanti. Next, what is very important is this one. So Sarvanama Shabda will come in the examination. Very, very important. For 5 marks it will come. So any name is there, noun, it is called Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. For that pronoun in Pullinga is Saha, Saha Balakaha, Tau Balakau, Te Balakaha, Saha Ashwaha, Tau Ashwau, Te Ashwaha, like that. You should know. So for example, Gajaha Chalanti. Here Gajaha is Bahuvachana. So you should say Te Chalanti. Chatrau Dvivachanam. So you should go Tau Patataha. Vanaraha Bahuvachanam. So Te Kridanti. Gayakaha Ekavachanam. Saha Gayati. Mayuraha Bahuvachanam. Te Nrityanti. See, this is the answers. Gajaha chalanti, te chalanti. So there is a visarga. No need to write this visarga. Print mistake is there. This one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, chatrau patataha, tau patataha. वानराः क्रीडन्ति ते क्रीडन्ति गायकः गायति सः गायति मयूराः नृत्यन्ति ते नृत्यन्ति. So like this all of you must prepare well for the examination. Wish you all the best.